Welcome back guys to another video. So first off, I know I haven't uploaded for about 5 months. I've been really busy in school studies and graphic designing for clients, but I'll be uploading more frequently in the future, so yeah, that's that. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a cool gradient with any word of your choice in the middle, or wherever you want it to be, so it could be on the right side or the left side in the corner. And I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So let's get into Photoshop and make that happen. Alright guys, so once you're in Photoshop, what you have to do is make a document 800 pixels by 800. And once you've done that, set the background content to either transparent or white. I just leave it at white. Once that's done, double click on the background, make this colors layer. Go to the brush tool and make your size about 200 pixels. And once you've done that, make sure this circle thingy is at the very top, the right hand corner, and choose any color you want. So I usually choose the most vibrant colors like red, yellow, like aqua blue, and green. And just add in a bit of pink inside of pink or purple, sorry, matter. Once that's done, make a new layer, name this stripes lines, and right click on the brush tool, go to mix the brush tool. So set this to dry, make sure both of these are selected, and hold Alt and click, make sure you're on the colors layer, click on one of like the intersections where the colors mix. That way it'll make the brush look better. And what you can do now is like draw these lines with mixed colors, but before that let's make some text. I'll make, usually a 4-letter word works better, so like love, so that bigger in the center. And if I make a new layer, brush tool, the mixer brush tool actually, and okay, what I can do is so like that, and then choose a different color, what you did the first time. So I have a letter O here. We can get creative and make a line going. Rasterize this text layer, put it to the top. I'm gonna leave it at the bottom. Press Ctrl and click on the thumbnail. Go to your eraser tool and say we delete. Sorry, you have to be on the lines. Switch it. Alright, so if we click here and delete this part of the lines. Deselect, it'll look like it's going through the letter, which gives it a pretty cool thing. And let's just do that one more time. Maybe with the, maybe if we the E. Already done this like this. I'm going to try and get a graphics tablet because it makes it eraser tool again. Make sure you're on the lines where we actually stuff. But it doesn't look that nice because the colors kind of mixing in. Let's choose a different color. Choose and purple, pink. Click here. Oops. Like that. Click here, eraser, and that. Bad. So let's just say that's my whole draw. What I can do next is select the colors layer, Control T, Command T on Mac, and resize this to make it bigger. Put it at the back, rotate it a bit so the colors come in the background. And yeah, there we go. So that's a pretty simple tutorial. It should be for beginners. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll be trying to upload more and into the holidays, school holidays. Yeah, thank you.